NBC 739 News at 10 a.m. Coverage you can count on.
Then tips for protecting your skin during these upcoming spring and summer months. We'll have an interview with the dermatologist about it. Well, keeping your skin protected during the spring and summer months, it's important for everyone, but especially here in San Diego. Today, we are joined by a dermatologist for tips on how to keep your skin looking healthy. Dr. Peyman Ghasri joins us now, and you have some wonderful models with you and a lot to talk about, so let's get right to it. Good morning,
Steve. Good morning to you.
Yeah, thanks for being here.
Thank you very much. So I'm mainly here to basically discuss what I'm impressed with most with the Vichy line. Vichy is the #1 brand in the European pharmacies and also in Canadian drugstores, and it's now being launched on the West Coast.
Why is it important now to start thinking about skincare as opposed to other times of the year?
Many reasons. First of all, sun exposure is actually the #1 damaging thing to our skin. If anything we want to do as far as caring for our skin, we want to minimize the sun exposure on the every daily basis. And also at the same time, we want to make sure our skin is well hydrated.
Well, show us some of the things you brought in and how you apply it. I always think of skincare things being a lot to think about, but
definitely there is a lot of stuff out there. Well, here we have actually some of the high-tech skin analysis instruments provided by Vichy. We have two models here. One is Cindy, and Cindy, we're going to actually use some of the instruments here to just grab this really fast. These are pretty simple tools that actually these are available at all the CVS pharmacies for the public use.
Yeah.
I'm going to use this hydrometer. It basically measures the water content in the cells.
Okay.
Inside the skin cells. Just gently press that here. Here Cindy shows hydration of 39.2, which is actually not bad, but slightly dehydrated. It just basically measures the water concentration inside the skin cells.
Okay.
This concentration just shows slightly dehydrated.
Okay, and so what does she need?
Well, I'm going to do another test on her actually, because having a hydrated skin there's other factors involved too. Another one is the oil content of the skin surface.
Okay.
One important thing is, which usually people don't think of, is you could have oily skin but at the same time be dehydrated.
All right.
That's why using the right products are the most important thing. Now this one's a sebum test, which basically measures the oil content of the surface of the skin. I'm just going to gently press that here. Basically, here's these little tiny particles. Means that Cindy's skin is a little bit on the oily side.
Okay.
In her case, my recommendation would be actually using the Normoderm line. Normoderm is a skin line which is perfect for oily skin, and at the same time has a hydrating effect. So it controls the oil secretion on the outer surface of the skin, but also maximizes the water content inside the cells.
Doctor, I told you the time would fly by. We have about 30 seconds left, and what we really want to know is for
move on to
you can move over there, and I'll talk to you as you continue to put some stuff on her.
We're going to use another cool toy provided here. This one is actually a magnifying microscope, magnifying video. It's at high magnification. I'm just going to gently press that here. You see, on Nancy's skin, we're actually seeing these little tiny broken blood vessels, and also that is a sunspot on high magnification. Kind of a scary thought. These are all signs of sun damage, photoaging. In Nancy's case, the best line I would recommend for would be the Lift Active Pro, which is a line by Vichy which promotes skin firmness and skin tone. It's basically an anti-aging cream which has ingredients in there which are pro-firming.
Well, Doctor, thanks for the tests, models. You looked wonderful. And
thank you very much,
for more information, for people, certainly go to our website, nbcsandiego.com. Lots of information there about L'Oreal Vichy. That's, as you mentioned, #1 skincare in Europe and Canada. And we can get people more information there in terms of what products are practical for them.
Exactly.
Thanks for being with us. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Take care.